Hello friends, welcome back to Market Market. Today is 6th June and I'm back again with another update. So let's begin with the Nifty monthly chart as usual. So a quick recap. So these are the fib levels for the rally Nifty has seen in 30 years, 1990 to 2020. Nifty corrected and touched 38% retracement levels, and then it is moving up. Right, so in the month of March we saw 25% correction, April saw 15% gain, um, May saw a consolidation of 2% minus 2%, and in June Nifty has been very strong and it has already gained 6%. It is right now at the resistance of 50-month moving average. Let's move on to the weekly chart. So this week too, Nifty has made a very strong candle, friends. So it did a gap up opening and then closed near the top of the candle. It has breached the 99, 70, 50% retracement of this correction. It has also breached the 20-week moving average and very close to 200-week moving average. On the daily chart too, friends, for last few days have seen a very strong rally, gap up openings, and mainly led by the FII investments. FIIs have been investing to the tunes of 2,000 to 6,000 crores every day. That is resulting in a very strong rally. So as we have seen, Nifty made a top here a couple of days back. This is the 50-month moving average levels, and it's still at that resistance, but it is most likely to breach and move forward looking at the global cues and SGX Nifty. Right, so if this is broken, friends, the next stop would be, since we have already crossed 99, 70, 50% retracement, next stop would be at 10,550, 62% retracement, and it is also close to 200 EMA. And there doesn't seem to be any major resistances here too, and this gap would also be filled in the process, and we need to see whether there will be any reaction at this level or not. Let's look at the other sectors quickly. Bank Nifty too has seen a very sharp up move. It saw a small correction on the previous session, but made a comeback. It crossed again the 50 EMA and also the 2015 highs. This is only the second time it has closed above 2015 highs ever since the correction has started. And looking at this, it may actually touch this trend line and breach it too. IT2 has broken this trend line that it is under since March, and it is also broken 200 EMA. It may consolidate here for a few days, and if it can sustain, it will start moving upward again. Pharma has been breaking resistance one by one and moving up. FMCG is at the resistance of this trend line. It is consolidating. Whole of last week, it is in a consolidation mode. Needs to be seen whether it will be broken out or it will fall. Energy has touched the 200 EMA, has crossed all the retracement levels and touched 200 EMA. Needs to be seen if it is broken or not. Metals and auto has seen the strongest of the rally in last few sessions, friends. So it has crossed the 38% retracement and close to 50%. Auto has crossed the 50% retracement and moving towards 200 EMA. Media has been very strong as well, led by Z and PVR. Realty 2 has seen a strong up move, and it is at these levels for last 3 days, consolidating here. Mid caps and small caps are also showing nice strong moves, friends. So this rally has been extremely broad based. And on SGX Nifty, we can see it has already touched 200 EMA. It has shown a small reaction, but looking at these levels, we are most likely to see a good opening on Monday. Let's look at the sector-wise comparison also, friends. sorry, that is opening a new window. Let's continue in this window as well itself. So pretty much, friends. So Nifty is in a very strong up move. We hardly see any downside here or any weakness here. Looking at the global cues, Nifty is most likely to breach this and head towards 200 EMA and 10,550 levels. So that's pretty much. See you again in the next video. Thanks for watching.